we want to talk about directional derivative. Let's recap quickly from partial derivatives, basically. Here's what happened in partial derivatives. So the basically directional derivative in x direction, it's dir, in x direction at a and b. And let's say function is z equal to f of x and y. Then this directional derivative was f sub x of a and b. And then the directional derivative in y direction at a and b was f sub y of a and b, right? And that's this was basically going with, if I go on the tangent plane, one step in x direction, then only one step in x direction, that's 0 for y direction, then this is the tangent vector in x direction. And if I go only one step in y direction, this is the tangent vector in y direction. So the next question comes up as in, what if I go to other directions? It's not always x and y. And so that's when the general directional derivative comes in. And take a look at here. In here, I have this u, which is a unit vector. And you want it to be a unit vector because, again, an x and y. So it's a unit vector. And u1 and u2. And I want to know if I go in the direction u1 and u2, what is the change in z, basically, change in z on the tangent plane. And that's how we compute it, and that's how it becomes the directional derivative. And with the entire thing of, so you compute the gradient vector of f, which is f sub x of a and b, and f sub y of a and b, and then you add a and b, and then you dot that with the unit vector to get the directional derivative. This is the directional derivative. And it tells you about the change in y if you go one step in the direction u. So all of that nice, and I want to show you how it looks like as I change the direction, basically. So right now you can see how it is here, that the gray plane is the tangent plane, and then you have a bluish plane that is crossing the surface and giving you a little bit of a curve, and then you find a vector tangent to that curve, which is pointing toward the direction of the directional derivative, basically. And so now let's change this direction. Direction down here is u right here, and I want to change this direction so you can take a look at how I